Welcome to this complete Corfu, Greece travel guide. Nestled in the Ionian Sea, Corfu, a resplendent gem of Greece, beckons travelers from around the globe. Known for its azure waters, verdant landscapes, and rich history, it promises an unforgettable sojourn. From exploring the cobblestoned lanes of the Old Town to hiking the lofty peaks of Mount Pantokrator, Corfu offers a myriad of experiences. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the top 10 things to do in Corfu. First on our list is the Corfu Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A jewel in the crown of the Ionian Islands, Corfu Old Town captivates with its unique blend of Venetian, French, and British influences. The architecture here is a delightful mix of the old and new, with grand palaces, ancient fortresses, and charming squares all vying for your attention. As you wander through the vibrant alleyways, you'll find yourself surrounded by a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents. From the buzzing tavernas serving up traditional Greek cuisine to the quaint shops offering a range of local handicrafts and olive oil, every corner of this town tells a story. The historical significance of Corfu Old Town cannot be overstated. It's a living museum that bears witness to the island's rich history and the numerous civilizations that have called it home. A walk through these ancient streets will take you back in time. Next up is the Achilleion Palace, a monument of beauty and culture. Nestled in the heart of Corfu, this majestic palace is a confluence of history, architecture, and breathtaking vistas. Conceived in the late 19th century by Empress Elizabeth of Austria, it was her refuge, her sanctuary, and ultimately her tribute to the Greek hero Achilles. The palace is an architectural marvel, a symphony of neoclassical design infused with romantic elements. Each room, each corner, each detail is a testament to the Empress's love for Greek mythology, and it's not just the interiors that will leave you spellbound. The terraced gardens adorned with statues of Greek gods and heroes offer a panoramic view of the Ionian Sea that's nothing short of mesmerizing. To visit the Achilleion Palace is to step back in time, to soak in centuries-old tales and to witness the grandeur of a bygone era. The Achilleion Palace is a testament to Corfu's rich history and culture. Now let's head to the Paleokastritsa Beach, a paradise for relaxation. Imagine soft, powdery sand beneath your feet, warm and inviting. The beach is framed by emerald green hills, creating a picture-perfect backdrop to your day of rest. As you step into the water, you are greeted by the crystal-clear azure of the Ionian Sea, cool and refreshing. The waves gently lap at your feet, the rhythm of the ocean a soothing balm to the soul. Around you, the beach is alive with the soft hum of conversation and the distant laughter of children. Yet the atmosphere is peaceful, a calming oasis amidst the bustle of Corfu. Here you can lose yourself in a book, take a leisurely swim, or simply lie back and soak in the sun. So, whether you are a sun worshipper, a water baby, or a beachcomber, Paleokastritsa Beach offers a serene sanctuary to escape from the world. A day at Paleokastritsa Beach is a day well spent. Our next stop is the Angelokastro Castle, a fortress with a view. Perched high on the island's northwestern coastline, this Byzantine-era fortress commands an imposing presence. It's not just a castle, it's a strategic masterpiece. Its location, high on the cliff's edge, ensured that it was virtually impregnable, a silent sentinel guarding Corfu from invasions. The castle's history is as thrilling as its geography. It's seen centuries of battles and conquests, standing the test of time and becoming a living testament to the island's turbulent past. Imagine knights and soldiers defending their homeland, the castle walls echoing their stories. From the castle's ramparts, you're rewarded with panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Look out over the Ionian Sea, its azure waters stretching out as far as the eye can see. The coastline of Albania, visible on a clear day. It's a sight that truly captures the spirit of Corfu. Angelokastro Castle is a must-visit for history buffs and view-seekers alike. Let's stroll down the Liston Promenade, the heart of Corfu. This bustling esplanade with its canopy of vibrant green trees is the perfect place to soak up the lively atmosphere of the island. Picture yourself here amidst the flurry of activities. The air is filled with the soft hum of conversation, the clink of coffee cups, and the murmur of everyday life. Liston Promenade is a hub of social interaction where locals and tourists alike come to unwind. The promenade is lined with charming cafes that spill onto the walkway, their tables laden with Greek delicacies and the aroma of strong, rich coffee. As you walk along, you can feel the energy of Corfu in every step, from the laughter of children playing in the square to the soft strumming of a street musician's guitar. The vibrancy of the promenade is palpable. So whether it's for a leisurely stroll or a cup of coffee at a sidewalk cafe, the Liston Promenade is where Corfu's heart beats. Next, we visit the Mon Repos Palace, a symbol of elegance. Nestled on the edge of Corfu town, this regal structure is a testament to the island's rich history. The palace is a remarkable example of neoclassical architecture, its grandeur evident in every meticulously carved detail and ornate finish. Mon Repos Palace isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a treasure trove of history, having been home to various British governors and Greek royalty. Every room tells a tale of its illustrious past, with its walls echoing stories of regality. Stepping outside the palace, you're greeted by lush, verdant gardens. These beautifully manicured lawns and flower beds serve as the perfect backdrop for this elegant structure. Tall, shady trees and winding paths make for delightful strolls, a tranquil escape from the bustling town nearby. Indeed, Mon Repos Palace is a blend of history and beauty. It's a place where the past meets the present, where architectural grandeur meets natural splendor. Now we explore the Vlacherna Monastery and the Mouse Island, a sacred spot in Corfu. Perched on a rocky islet, the Vlacherna Monastery is a beacon of tranquility amidst the azure Ionian Sea. This remarkable edifice, with its red-domed chapel, is a testament to the island's rich spiritual heritage. For centuries, it has been a place of solace and contemplation for locals and visitors alike. Now let's cast our gaze towards the charming Mouse Island, or Pantokrator as it's known locally. This verdant islet is steeped in mythology, said to be the ship of Odysseus turned to stone by Poseidon. Today it stands as a picturesque retreat, brimming with cypress trees and home to the Byzantine chapel of Pantokrator. The unique location of these two landmarks, tethered to the mainland by a slender causeway, adds to their mystical allure. The Vlacherna Monastery and Mouse Island offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. Next, we dive into the Canal d'Amour, a romantic getaway. Nestled on the northwestern coast of Corfu, this stunning natural formation is truly a sight to behold. Imagine a series of sandstone coves and canals, sculpted by the wind and sea over centuries, creating a labyrinth of blue and green hues that shimmer under the Grecian sun. The waters here are crystal clear, inviting you to take a refreshing dip into the sea, or perhaps, if you're feeling adventurous, a dive from the higher cliffs. But it's not just the beauty that draws visitors to Canal d'Amour, it's the romantic legends associated with it. One such tale whispers that if you swim through the entire canal, you'll find the love of your life on the other side. Whether or not you believe in legends, one thing is certain. Canal d'Amour is a picture-perfect spot for couples and nature lovers. Last but not least, we hike up Mount Pantokrator, the highest peak in Corfu. This journey is not just about ascending a mountain, it's about embracing the spirit of adventure. As we make our way up, our path is flanked by the vibrant hues of the Mediterranean flora. The scent of wild thyme and oregano fills the air, a delightful reminder of the untamed nature of this place. The hike is an invigorating experience, each step a dance with the rugged terrain, our reward, a panoramic view that is nothing short of breathtaking. It's as if the whole of Corfu has been laid out before us, with the sparkling Ionian Sea forming a stunning backdrop. There's a sense of accomplishment that washes over us as we reach the summit. It's a feeling that goes beyond the physical, resonating deep within the soul. So if you crave for a taste of adventure paired with unspoilt natural beauty, Mount Pantokrator is your destination. Mount Pantokrator is a haven for adventure seekers. And that wraps up our journey through the top 10 things to do in Corfu. We've sauntered through the charm of Corfu Old Town, marveled at the majestic Achilleion Palace, and basked in the serenity of Paleokastritsa Beach. We've discovered the historic Angelokastro Castle, strolled along the lively Liston Promenade, and admired the elegance of Mon Repos Palace. We've explored the sacred Vlacherna Monastery, swum at the romantic Canal d'Amour, and hiked the adventurous Mount Pantokrator. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the mesmerizing island of Corfu, Greece.